This is Spaghetti Blanco for the Christmas dinner. It's a traditional Mexican recipe, spaghetti with jalapeno and Mexican crema. You are gonna love it. Easy to do and more delicious impossible. Welcome to Spicy Latina Mom. My name is Laura, and every week I have new recipes for you. I'm publishing every Thursday and Sunday, so please subscribe, push on the bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a new recipe. And well, this is a traditional Mexican recipe, very easy to do. It's not spicy, don't worry, and it's gonna be so different on your Christmas table, and everybody's gonna love it. So let's begin. Well, for the next step, we need to make our pasta. I have the spaghetti over here and I have boiling water in here. You don't need to add oil or salt or garlic, anything, just the pasta. What is gonna give the flavor actually is the great salsa with crema mexicana that we are making. So I'm just gonna leave it here to boil in the water. You can follow the box instructions so you can know for how long it's supposed to cook. But the perfect way for that is spaghetti is ready. Just crush it in half, and if you see, you just taste it. It doesn't have to be like too soft. Don't make it too soft, just al dente. My jalapeno is ready over here. Like you can see, all the skin is black, and now it's really easy to peel it off. I'm just using my fingers. You can use a little water if you prefer. And we're gonna get rid of all the skin to add this to our crema. Our chile jalapeno is ready, so I'm just gonna cut the tail of the chile and I'm gonna split it in half and I'm gonna get rid of all the seeds. Actually, did you know that jalapeno and all the chiles are fruits, not vegetables? Yes, they have seeds, they are fruits. Okay, so this is ready. I used a whole package of pasta. That is a lot of pasta. So I ended up using 3/4 of a liter of Mexican cream, and I added 1 cup of almond milk. You can add just salt to taste, and this will be ready. If you want it more spicy, add more jalapeno, toasted jalapeno. The good thing about this is that the jalapeno just gives an amazing smoky flavor to this pasta. You're gonna love it. It doesn't end up spicy, just the smoky flavor that maybe people don't even find out. What is this flavor? Well, that's gonna be your secret and mine. So this is ready, and I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and every week I have 2 new delicious Mexican recipes for you and your family. Hasta luego, amigos.